Acchi Kaneki recipe? That's like asking how to create a masterpiece painting. Few basics and the right touch. Great food starts with fresh ingredients, just like a good story starts with emotions. Let me guide you. The first pain point? People always think good food takes hours. It doesn't. Think efficiency and flavor-forward dishes. For these recipes, you'll need simple staples like onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and a handful of masalas. Done right, even these basics can feel magical. Start with cooking oil that has a neutral flavor but enhances taste. I recommend ghee or mustard oil for the authenticity factor. Heat 2 tablespoons in a large skillet. Pro tip: add a single cumin seed. When it starts sizzling, you're golden. Add finely chopped onions next, about 2 medium-sized ones. Sauté them on medium heat until they turn beautifully golden brown. This step alone separates average food from wow. Take your time, it's worth it. Speed ruins flavor here, trust me. Once the onions are ready, toss in a puree of 2 medium tomatoes, a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Stir. Your home will start smelling unbelievable at this stage. You're not sweating, you're layering. This is where many people go wrong. Spices. Don't dump everything at once. Toast your cumin, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon, and chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Let these spices bloom in the tomato sauce for a minute before adding salt. Now for versatility. You can add any main ingredient: paneer cubed, boiled chickpeas, or diced vegetables like cauliflower and peas. If you're feeling non-vegetarian, diced chicken or prawns work brilliantly. Whatever you choose, add it and coat it in the masala. Turn the heat down. Slowly add water or cream. Depends on where you want the dish to go. Cream offers indulgence. Water keeps it clean. Pro tip: 2 cups of water is perfect for making a curry that pairs with rice. Simmer gently for 10 minutes. Let time do its thing. This part takes patience, but this is where all those flavors collide and meld into something greater than the sum of its parts. Every minute adds depth. Don't rush genius. Tear in fresh cilantro leaves for the finishing touch. Those green flecks add visual pop and a bright flavor punch. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, a teaspoon or 2. Citrus goes a long way in balancing the richness. Serve hot with warm roti or fluffy basmati rice. You'll know you've nailed it when everyone just stares at the plate for a moment before diving in. That's the reaction we live for. Simple ingredients, extraordinary results. The beauty of Acchi Kaneki recipe is adaptability. Once you master the basic masala and timings, the possibilities are endless. It's less about perfection and more about love. Use the recipes, but trust your instincts. That's real cooking. Want to get better? Keep testing your spice mix. A pinch less salt or 1 extra chili tomorrow will teach you way more than a cookbook ever could. Cooking, like life, is learned in real time, not theory.